Come test drive the 2022 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.